Hey, Mike.
Hey, Kathleen. How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Just jumped right in, didn't you?
I sure did.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, we are Mike and Kathleen from woodshopmike.com. Welcome to episode 7 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
Yeah. It's good to have you all back. It's good to be back.
Another chance for a win.
Another chance. I have one victory under my belt, planning to make it 2.
Awesome.
So tell us about what you're using this week.
Alright, so this week I'm going to be using 3 different types of wood. I've got some reclaimed pine, some really pretty grain, which is actually what I used last week. So this is like a scrap of a scrap. Do I get extra points for this?
No.
Darn. I've got white oak and a nice piece of poplar that's kind of conveniently the same size of the baseball bat. So watch out.
I will be watching.
All right. What are you using, Mike?
So, for all the haters
Gosh.
that did not like how much plywood I used on a previous project, are really not going to be happy about me this week. These are 2x4 cutoffs from a chicken coop that I built recently. And, yeah, otherwise they would just be thrown in the dump.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you're going to reuse them.
I'm going to reuse
Very
them.
cool. Well, best of luck.
Thank you very much.
That looks like a mess.
Yeah, it's going to be. Well, we're all wrapped up with our projects for the day. So, Kathleen, what'd you build?
I made teeny tiny things this time.
Yeah, you did.
So in the detail shots, you'll have to look at those. But I made sets of earrings and matching necklaces to go with each set of earrings. So they're all circles. Some of them are half painted with some wood burning detail on this last one down here. And then I just left the natural wood grain showing through on the white oak and the pine.
Very nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, those turned out well.
Thanks. So Mike, what did you make?
Well, I made a target for axe throwing. Yeah.
I was gonna say you made axes.
I made axes.
That big stack of lumber.
Yes, it magically, some of it turned into iron.
That's impressive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
So where's your target?
It is out front on our maple tree.
Yeah. Attached to my front yard tree.
It's a conversation starter.
Yeah, I'll say.
Indeed.
I'm so excited.
Me too. I had fun.
Very nice.
Yeah, thank you. Well, you guys know the drill. Head over to our Instagram stories or comment below for who you think won this week's Scrapwood Challenge.
And I think you owe me from last week the winner's wand and the victory crown.
Nope, I burnt that.
Sore loser.
It happens.
Until next time, have fun making something.
See you guys. So why don't drills have any friends?
Because they're friends with you? That was creepy.
Mike.
Some people
I'm gonna jump
walk. Hey, Mike.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Hi.
So, why don't drills... So, Kathleen, I have a question for you.
All right, I didn't study. You need coffee.
My tongue is tired.
From axe throwing?
Yeah?
I didn't know the tongue
Yeah,
was so
hold the tongue
involved
that flat.
in
Yeah,
axe throwing.
yeah, you know, it's